Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the double design cock ring by the Bonus collection. So let's get started. So this is the double design cock ring itself. And this thick cock ring gives your penis an even more manly look and allows you to enjoy your erection for a longer period of time. The ring makes sure your penis swells up a little, making it more sensitive. It's made of an extra soft material, so it will feel very soft and smooth on the skin and very comfortable to wear during use. It's also a very stretchy material, which means you always get the perfect fit. And the thick design always makes sure the ring stays in place in any situation. Now, when using this double design cock ring, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the ring after every use, using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the double design cock ring by the Bonus collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.